Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AviCAD tutorial how to divide circle in 6 equal parts. So as example, I will create circle, and if you want to divide this circle into 6, you can type divide, press enter, and you can select the circle object. Now you can set for the number of segments, you can set into 6, and you can press enter to apply. Now I will change for the point style. You can type DDP type, press enter, and I will change into this style. Click OK, and then you can see the circle will be divided into 6 with these points as a mark. Okay, that's it for a basic AviCAD tutorial how to divide circles in 6 equal parts.